Hey guys, welcome to my tutorial. In this video, we will try to find the value of cube root of 27. So let's start. At first, we will find the factors of 27. And we know that 27 is divisible by 3. So we will write it as 3 times 9. Again, factorize 9 and we know that it is 3 times 3, so we have 3 times 3 times 3. Now take cube root on the both side and we have cube root of 27 is equal to cube root of 3 times 3 times 3. And now we will write it as 3 times 3 times 3 power 1 by 3. As we know that cube root can be written as power 1 by 3. Now we have three number of 3's inside the bracket. So we can write it 3 cube. So that we have 3 power 3 power 1 by 3. And we can write it as 3 power 3 times 1 by 3. Here we have used this formula a power m power n is equal to a power m times n. Now look that here 3 gets cancelled and we have 3 power 1. That means 3. And this is the expected answer. Thank you for watching.